Experience the perfect blend of form and function.
Crafted with premium technical fabrics for ultimate durability.
Designed to move with you wherever the city takes you. Elevate your everyday. The new technical jacket.
Tired of heaviness and constraints? Say goodbye to bulking. Both men and women.
Let's start with the creation of this AI advertisement. As you saw, so at the very first you have to find any of the product. Okay, you have to just find a product image. As you can see on the screen, just keep following my whole tutorial, it is so easy. So we need a clean and clear image of the product. So as you can see, I am saving this image, and you have to save it in the same form, and after saving you have to just click on save, and that's it. Now go to this website, link you will get in the description, and simply drag your image here. And in this field you don't even have to write the prompt. Yes, this option has a best feature called generate script, where the AI will just analyze whole image and it will generate an AI script for you, right? So I am just changing the video duration. In this I am changing the ratio as 16 is to 9, because in my previous videos I have shown you how you can create the 9 is to 16 ratio videos. But in this video we are gonna create a full YouTube advertisement. Okay, and as you can see, the generate script option has worked very well, and this is the 2-line prompt. But you can just read the prompt, and I am wishing to modify it more by my side, so you can just type it or add any of the extra add-ons which you are wishing to. So as you can see, the prompt which I have typed is a premium product showcasing, featuring a lightweight jacket in modern style, illuminated with soft angle side key lighting to highlight its functionality and comfort, and then a model showcasing its all the stuff which I have added. And here you go. As you can see, finally all the clips have been generated separately, and we get a new option of add new shot. It means you can even add more shots accordingly to your existing AI video advertisement. So you can select any of the shot type which you want. So I have selected, and here is the whole generated shot, as you can see. And even from here you will get an option to add a new shot. So I am just adding one more shot from here. So basically the
The
workflow
city
of this
takes
tool
you.
is simple. It will generate first images and then
Elevate
convert
your
it into the
everyday.
whole video,
The new
and the
technical
whole
jacket.
video is in front of you. Just look
Tired of
at
heaviness and
this is the
constraints?
actual AI
Say goodbye to
advertisement
bulky.
which we have
Both
created
men
with
and
just
women
product
can
link in just
experience
few minutes.
unprecedented.
And you can either change the narration or change the script of narrating any way you wanna. By 11 labs you can just import this ad to the CapCut. You can change voice and every stuff, and in this way we can create the whole advertisement. So as you can see, the advertisement consists of close shots and just narration. This is the two things which creates an AI advertisement. So
Experience
even
the
though if you
perfect
generate the
blend
close
of
shot from this
form and
website and
function.
narration from 11 labs,
Crafted.
it does work. So as you can see, finally I have generated the whole AI advertisement, and how you have to download it. Your project will be saved in the creation history. From there, simply you can rename your project from here, and after that you can download it easily in just few minutes. So this is how this tool works for creating the close-up shot of any of the product. You just have to upload a clean, clear, crisp image, and this is all free. The credits which you're seeing, it is extremely free. You can use it up for a while, and you can try it out yourself. So the video which we have generated, it does leave a watermark. So how to remove watermark? Come on CapCut, and what you have to do is just select your video as I'm selecting. Just bring it to the timeline, and from here you can just zoom in the video, and by this way the whole watermark gets removed without even harming to the video. And in this same exact way you can change the language of the video, you can change narration, you can add your own narration, you can do any of the stuff you want, and you can create this AI advertisement in the same way. So I want you to try this up with any of the product you want, whether it can be a perfume or a skincare product or any of the product. Do visit this website, the link is in the description, and I'm sure this was helpful for you.